Hello, everyone. My name is Kelly Albertson, and I am here today to go over the celestial sphere. So, I have a globe model here of the Earth, the Sun, and the celestial sphere itself. Now, the celestial sphere is that imaginary sphere that holds up all of the stars and it encompasses the Earth. So, if we were on the Earth's surface looking up at the sky, we would be able to connect stars together to form constellations. And what you can see on the outside of this celestial sphere itself are some of those constellations. Let's go over some of the other vocab. So, one of the vocab pieces was the celestial equator. So, if you take Earth's equator and project it out onto the celestial sphere, it divides our sky into a northern hemisphere and a southern hemisphere. And on this globe model, that is that clear line that kind of slices the sphere itself in half. Now, the ecliptic is the path of the sun across the sky, and maybe you can see that this moves there. It is not drawn on this globe, but you will find the ecliptic on all star charts, labeled star charts if you have one of the complete sky. Another vocab word was the zenith. That is the point directly overhead. And for the North Pole, that would be directly overhead. Polaris, the North Star, would be there. But depending on where you are on the Earth, so I'm at 40 degrees north latitude, when I look up, my point directly overhead will continuously change throughout the night. Now, it's just an imaginary point up there, but different stars will pass over that throughout the night and then throughout the year as well. An additional vocab word was the meridian, and that's just that slicing the sky from north to south from whatever position you are on the Earth. So you're not going to find it on a globe model like this, but maybe you could imagine if you were standing on the Earth and slice the Earth from north to south, then everything in the east will rise, everything in the west will be setting. All right, well, I hope that gives a little bit more information on the celestial sphere and some of the vocab for this class.